Hey guys, we're here today to show you the installation of the Saddlemen Road Sofa CF, which is carbon fiber. It also comes with a backrest. The fitment is for the 14 to 21 Chief series of bikes. What tools do you need?
You'll need a 6mm. There's a bolt on each side of the seat and one in the back. Easy on, easy off, 6mm Allen.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. So the next step is you have to remove the side cover here. It's a piece of plastic with the rubber grommets that fall into the slots. Once you remove that piece, you can find your Allen head right there. You remove that, you do the same thing on the other side, and you're good to go.
Yeah, guys, remember, don't rip that plastic piece out. You may break it. Just nicely, gently pull it out. And then on some of the models, you may see a side skirt and even some fringe. You got to raise that up to get that side panel off as well.
Up next, we will take off the stock seat. Once you have your Saddlemen Road Sofa ready to install, there's just two things you're going to need to do. One of them is removing this bracket and flipping it around. It's a 180 turn on the bike. If you don't see the logo, you have it upside down. So make sure when you turn it, it's just a 180 right to the bike like that, and you're good to go. Tighten it up.
What tool are you using?
I'm using a 4mm Allen.
All right, so now we're getting ready to install this. We've got a couple of tabs that go under the rails. You got to be really careful with this. Take your time. Lance is going to show you a way he has found to make it a little bit easier on the installation. So
Yeah.
let's see what you got, buddy.
And you'll no longer need the side tabs for the screws. Those are done. You don't need them anymore. So get it up high on the saddle here, push down, and just give her a little twist, and she is on.
And let's get your Saddlemen fender washer, and we'll get the seat screw, and you are ready to go. Hey guys, we're in the final stages of getting this seat put together. You'll notice in the box it comes with a seat post, and then there's also a backrest, and you'll need to put those two together. But a little bit about the post. You've got 3 positions that you can raise or lower. You also have an adjustment screw here that allows the seat to move forward or backwards. And then we'll turn it around and show you a couple of other items.
You need a 10 and 11mm to put the 2 bolts and nuts together, and you're ready to go at that point.
So let's install it.
Yep.
There you go.
Boom.
Simple as that.
And boy, does it look good. I love the way this looks.
Well, let's get the side covers on.
Yeah, let's do it. So as a reminder, you do not need to use your side bolts anymore. You can reinstall the side covers, make this thing look all finished and pretty. Look at that, ready to go. Well, I gotta tell you, that was really easy.
It sure was. And look, this Road Sofa by Saddlemen, carbon fiber with backrest, it looks great. It's time to put some miles on it.
Yeah, let's do that. Boom.